Once upon a time, in the vibrant town of Mathville, there was a magical place called the Count and Learn Academy. This was no ordinary school. It was a wondrous realm where numbers came alive and danced with joy. Every number had a distinct personality, from the playful 0 to the curious 10. The academy was bustling with excitement as children gathered to unlock the secrets of counting, led by their wise and gentle teacher, Miss Numerica. One bright morning, a group of eager students arrived, ready to begin their counting adventure. There was Lily, an observant little girl with a heart full of wonder, Max, an enthusiastic boy with boundless energy, and their friends, who were all eager to learn. Miss Numerica greeted them with a warm smile and said, "Welcome, young mathematicians. Today, we embark on a journey to discover the beauty of numbers." To make the learning adventure more thrilling, Miss Numerica introduced them to a special counting game. She explained, "We are going to explore the forest of numbers. Each step you take, you will count out loud, and you will meet delightful number creatures along the way." The children's eyes widened with excitement. They couldn't wait to begin. As they entered the forest, they started counting together. 1, 2, 3. Suddenly, a tiny creature leaped onto the path. It was Uno, the number 1, a cheerful little fellow who loved to hop around on one foot. Uno joined their journey, spreading laughter and enthusiasm. Moving forward, they reached a sparkling stream where Dawes, the number 2, basked in the water's glow. Dawes loved pears and quickly befriended Lily and Max. The children realized that Dawes could show them double the fun. The group continued onward, counting each step aloud. 4, 5, 6. When Trez appeared, a mischievous creature with 3 colorful tails. Trez delighted everyone with playful antics, making the journey even more exciting. As they ventured deeper into the forest, the children met Quattro and Cinque, numbers 4 and 5, playing a delightful balancing game. Quattro and Cinque taught them the joy of teamwork, showing how counting could bring people together. By the time they reached seis, siete, ocho, and nueve, numbers 6 through 9, the forest burst into a symphony of numbers, with each creature sharing its unique talents. Finally, they approached the towering tree of 10, where the wise 10 resided. 10 had a special ability to multiply happiness and bring harmony to the forest. As they gathered beneath the tree, Miss Numerica smiled and said, "You have all done a wonderful job. Together, you have discovered the joy of counting." The children huddled around 10, feeling a sense of accomplishment and unity. With a sparkle in her eyes, Miss Numerica concluded, "Remember, counting is not just about numbers. It's about seeing the world in new ways, finding connections and sharing joy." As they waved goodbye to their number friends in the magical forest, Lily, Max, and their classmates felt a newfound confidence and excitement. They had not only learned to count, but also discovered a world of endless possibilities. And so the children returned to Mathville, their hearts full of joy and their minds eager for the next adventure in the world of numbers.